Hey everybody, Bowlingful here. So if you watched my live stream a couple weeks ago, I got three 14-pound surprise balls from Bowling World, and this was one of them. So this is a ball that I wouldn't normally pick online, or I wouldn't pick it out at the pro shop. I somehow pair well with these balls, but I just they don't really gravitate towards me in the pro shop. But I do really well with the Piranha Power Core Pearl and the Pure Madness and the Ricochet. Ricochet is my least performing Columbia 300 ball. So I'm kind of excited to see how this one goes. This is a continuation of the high speed line that Columbia 300 had. So I'll put the layout on the screen and we'll see what we can do with this bad boy tonight in the lanes. All right, the Columbia 300 Rally. Let's see if this is a sleeper ball or not. Stand at 26. Ooh, got lucky on that one. Got my Storm Clear spare ball here. Damn, that ball is hooking like a monster. Stand 28. Boom. 28. Boom. All right, just got to get her over the dry in the front. Oh my God, that was sloppy. I was a little too fast. Stand 26. Boom. All right, stand 26. Get it. Bam. Nice. Ah, it's too much. Oh my God, for some miraculous reason I got that. Wow. Get it. Boom. There we go. Perfect. No, 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 no. Nope. So that'd be a 231 with the Columbia 300 Rally. There she is in all her glory here. So not too shabby of a ball. I mean, it was becoming a strike magnet here for a little bit to the damn last frame. So Columbia 300 Rally. I definitely would not have picked this ball up if I was looking for a ball to buy. So kind of cool that I got it as a surprise ball. And that's one cool thing I like about getting surprise balls is I'll pretty much drill up, if I don't have the ball in my collection, I'll drill it up. And that's how I found out about the Piranha Power Core Pearl. I drilled it up thinking it wasn't going to be that great of a ball. And it turned out to be one of my top 5 balls that I have. So I'm excited to roll this some more. I think this would be better suited for a little bit heavier oil conditions. I was bowling on dry conditions tonight. So we'll see in the future what it holds. Let me know if you guys have the Rally, if you like it, what your layout is, if you have any good top scores with it. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you like the video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.